Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. The quote, learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow, by Albert Einstein, emphasizes a balanced approach to life. It suggests that we should learn from yesterday, focus on the present moment, making the most of it, and taking actionable steps to achieve goals and enjoy life. Hope for tomorrow, maintain a positive outlook for the future, setting and looking forward to a new opportunity. Albert Einstein encourages us to use our past to inform and improve our present action. If you cannot explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. Albert Einstein quote, if you cannot explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough, means that true understanding of a concept comes from being able to break it down and communicate it in a clear, straightforward manner. If you understand something deeply, you should be able to explain it in simple terms that anyone can grasp without relying on complex jargon or lengthy explanation. Life is like riding a bicycle. The quote, life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. By Albert Einstein draw a parallel between riding a bicycle and living life. Just as a bicycle needs to keep moving to maintain balance and avoid falling, people must continue to move forward in life, facing challenges and making progress in order to maintain stability and achieve their goals. The essence of the quote is about perseverance and the importance of continuous effort. We cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we use when we create them. Albert Einstein quote, we cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we use when we create them, emphasizes the need for new, perspective, and innovative approach to address and resolve issues. It suggests that the mindset and method that lead to a problem are insufficient for finding a solution. To overcome challenges, we must think differently, adopt fresh ideas, and be open to change and creativity. The quote highlights the importance of involving our thinking and approach to effectively tackle the solved problems. Falling in love is not at all the most stupid thing that people do, but gravitation cannot be held responsible for it. Albert Einstein quote, here's a breakdown of what he means. Falling in love is a common human experience. Einstein acknowledged that falling in love is a natural and frequent occurrence, and it's not necessarily a foolish action, despite how irrational it might sometimes appear. Imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited. Imagination encircles the world. Albert Einstein quote, imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited. Imagination encircles the world. Reflection is belief in the power of imagination to transcend the contraction of existing knowledge. Here's a breakdown. Imagination over knowledge. Einstein suggests that while knowledge is valuable, it's ultimately limited in scope. Imagination, on the other hand, has the potential to transcend these limitations by envisaging possibilities beyond what is currently known or understood. Limitations of knowledge. Einstein acknowledged the inherent limitations of knowledge. No matter how vast our understanding may be, there will always be boundaries.